This episode will look at the vocabulary related to court cases, particularly criminal cases. And how about a definition of law itself? Law is a system of rules that people are supposed to follow in a particular country or society. Now, let's move on to look at today's topic. The words used to describe what happens in court and the people involved in a court case. Once the court case is brought to court, we can say the trial has begun. A trial is the process of examining a case in a court of law and deciding whether someone has broken the law. Okay, so now let's look at the people in the courtroom. The person in charge of a court case is called the judge. The judge is responsible for the running of the trial and often making a decision as to whether a crime has been committed. The defendant is the person who has been accused of a crime. If the defendant is found guilty, it means it has been proven that he or she committed the crime. And if they are found innocent, then they have not done anything wrong. Evidence is a set of facts that relate to a crime, and witnesses are people who might have seen the crime take place or have some other knowledge of it. To deliberate means to consider and discuss the case with other members of the jury. When they are ready to publicly announce their decision, they return to the courtroom and state their verdict. If the verdict is guilty, the judge will then convict the defendant of the crime and deliver the sentence. The sentence is the punishment the defendant must do to pay for the crime. This is typically a fine or prison sentence. A fine is money they have to pay the court, and a prison sentence is the length of time the defendant